Today you are going to do a green bean investigation. Just like a scientist, you're going to explore to learn. To get started, you will need to get 2 fresh green beans, 1 magnifying glass, and an investigation paper. Go grab all of your materials and pause the video now. Welcome back. Make sure you do not open or cut into your 2 green beans just yet. Okay, boys and girls, you're going to watch this video very closely and carefully. You have to be a very good listener as a scientist. On your paper, you have steps 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I want to make sure that you follow all the directions correctly. Before you get started, I want you to write your name at the top of your paper. Please pause the video and do that very quickly. Step 1 says to get 2 green beans. Step 2 says, I want you to predict how many seeds you will find inside. Now, don't open your green bean right now. You're just going to take a guess on how many you think are hiding inside. And this says, my guess. With your pencil, I want you to write a number here. Pause and write how many seeds you think you will find inside. Now that you made your prediction, let's go down to step 3. It says, open the green beans and count the seeds. Was your prediction correct? If you were right, you're going to circle yes. If you were not right, you're going to circle no. And then in these 2 boxes, you're going to write the actual number of seeds. So in your first green bean, I want you to count the seeds, write the number. In your second green bean, you're going to count the seeds, write the number. Pause the video and do that now. Okay, we're ready for step 4. Step 4 says, look at the green beans with a magnifying glass. You should already have one. You get to explore and look all around it. Look at the seeds. Are they all the same size or are they different sizes? What color are they? What shape are they? How do they feel in your hand? I want you to draw what the seeds look like in green bean number 1 in this box using your pencil, and you can use crayons too. And then draw what the seeds in your green bean look like in your second green bean. Are they the same size? How many were they? What color? Give lots of details. Have fun exploring your green beans, boys and girls.